Lovely duet performance by Navya and Abhinaya. The song selections, Balakrishnan Padamalaran Danyasi and Amir Kalyani Tirupavai was so beautifully rendered. Kudos to both of you. Hope to hear you more in CCC. I have a special memory about the Tirupavai. We had a special event for our 12th anniversary 2021 when all the kids, all the alumni kids sang the Tirupavais. And my daughter, she sang the Amir Kalyani Tirupavai as well. So it's very dear to my heart. Lovely to hear that both performers would like to dedicate their first CCC performance to Lord Krishna as an expression of their love and gratitude through music. I'm sure Lord Krishna will bless you both to reach great heights. We look forward to hearing you more. Madhura and Anish supported both really well on the violin and mridangam. Madhura is our editor in our Chronicles, and she is a key volunteer in the Chronicle magazine, and she's going to be a chief editor very soon. Please make your way to the backstage quiet.